So here we are. Debashi Mehte cleared PMP exam, and what an honor it is to meet him finally. So let's hear him. For first of all, Debashi Mehte, बहुत बहुत congratulations for clearing
Thank you, sir.
PMP exam.
Thank you, sir.
अच्छा, हमारी ऑडियंस के लिए आप बताएंगे कि how basically you cleared your exam? What was your journey?
Sir, journey was very tough indeed. It's not need to say again. As as before, many people give interview with you. We don't need to say again. It's very tough, but we can make it manage.
ओके आपने मैनेज किया उसको, यू मैनेज्ड इट वेरी वेल, और आपने इतना अच्छा मैनेज किया दैट यू क्लियर्ड इट. द बेस्ट मैनेजमेंट इज दैट फाइनली यू क्लियर्ड इट. हाउ एवर यू मैनेज्ड इट, अगर आप क्लियर नहीं कर पाए तो दैट्स देन नॉट इम्पोर्टेंट एट ऑल. ओके अच्छा,
That money sunk cost.
या
If
श्योर,
I don't clear.
या ओके. वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग आई वुड लाइक टू नो,
Yes, sir.
एग्जाम आपने घर में दिया था कि सेंटर में?
घर में दिया था, the same days where I am sitting now, the same days.
Okay,
Yes.
थोड़ा सा मुझे बताएंगे क्योंकि देयर आर मेनी पीपल लाइक स्पेशली इन इंडिया एंड स्पेशली इंडिया यूएई जो लोग सेंटर में जाके एग्जाम नहीं दे सकते, तो कैसे पूरा सिस्टम हुआ था, क्या क्या स्टेप्स थे, थोड़ा सा बताते हैं मुझे इस बारे में.
सर स्टेज से है कि आपको 2 दिन पहले वो लोग पियर्सन व्यू से वो मेल करेंगे सर. उस
ठीक है.
मेल के लिंक में जाके उस मेल के लिंक में जाके आपको क्लिक करना है. इट्स ऑटो प्रोसेस्ड. इट विल डायरेक्ट यू इटसेल्फ व्हाट टू डू. And on the exam day, before 1 day, before 24 hours, you have to check your system. They will provide you the link. You have to check your microphone, your camera is working or not, even internet is enough speed or not. So you have to check it there. Even only they will you can log in only before 30 minutes.
Okay.
Before that you cannot log in. You have to log in exam.
Okay.
So then they will send one
link, send
one link in your mobile number. You have to provide your mobile number. So you have to snap your rooms, front, back, right, and left, whatever. You have to take snap and you have to send that link.
Okay.
So when it finished, yes sir, when it finished, so in computer screen there will one column is there called refresh. You have to click on that.
Okay.
So then one proctor will come.
Okay.
He will pop up. He will come. He will ask your name and he will tell you to show the room by your webcam.
Okay.
Okay. After confirmation, they will ask you if you can start or not. So if you say okay, so they will release your questions. Then you start answering.
Okay. So the process was easy and smooth, right?
Easy actually, not much complex.
Okay, not complex. So is there any kind of issue that you face along the way? कोई मसला किसी किस्म का?
No, not exactly. No issue. I never face any issue.
Okay. 60 questions के बाद आपने ब्रेक लिया 10 मिनट का?
Yes sir.
उसके बाद
It's around 6 minutes around.
120 क्वेश्चन के बाद फिर ब्रेक लिया.
That is up to you sir. You can start break. You can stop break. That is up to you.
Okay. बट आपने ब्रेक लिया?
Yes sir.
आपने ब्रेक लिया, फिर 120 क्वेश्चंस के बाद भी ब्रेक लिया आपने?
नहीं सर, 120 क्वेश्चन के बाद ब्रेक नहीं लिया, मैंने कंटिन्यू किया सर.
आपने कंटिन्यू. दैट्स अ वेरी डिफरेंट थिंग. लाइक एक ब्रेक लिया, दूसरा ब्रेक नहीं लिया, आपने दोनों टेस्ट कर लिए, दोनों लड्डू खा लिए. ओके. अच्छा. ओके. देन एग्जाम कैसा था? एग्जाम इजी था?
सर एग्जाम बेसिकली इट इज वेरी टफ. I tried many mocks, but exam that questions you cannot compare with your mocks. Mocks only grow your brain to think about the questions. There is no direct questions, no CPI, no SPI, no precedence diagramming method or critical path, no question like that. So I can advise new aspirants that don't waste your time memorizing these formulas and critical path. Honestly, sir.
That is a very important thing. That's even I remember today I wrote it at 5 different groups. Students were getting confused regarding I am unable to understand tools and technique. I am unable to understand formulas. And my only comment was, don't try to understand it. Don't try to memorize it. Only just know the CPI and SPI value. Okay. That's a good thing to know. अच्छा, आपने बताया आपने काफी मॉक्स किए हैं. तो कौन से मॉक्स ज्यादा करीब एग्जाम के थे, लाइक कॉन्सेप्ट
सर जैसे आपने पहले बताया तो ट्राइडिव रॉय है ना सर, Udemy मैं उनका किया है, प्लस एक मोबाइल ऐप आता है सर, PMP पॉकेट ट्रिक, 1100 क्वेश्चंस इज देयर, दैट इज आल्सो गुड।
वो आपने पेड लिया था, पेड ऐप खरीदा
यस यस पेड है।
ओके ओके, पीएमपी पॉकेट, तो उसमें
What I understand, yes sir, what I understand at the time of exam, during the exam, even maybe after exam also, you have to remember that you are a servant leader,
you are a servant,
and your decision should not negatively impact any of your team member or either your customer, like that.
ओके एज अ सर्वेंट। ये बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट बात आपने ना, वो कहते हैं दरिया को कूजे में बंद कर दिया। यू कंप्लीट
जी sir.
entire PMP in just nutshell. It has a, when you are solving any question, you have to act like a servant leader. So that's a great idea that we can get it from you. Okay, coming back to
Actually,
next. Yes, please,
Yes sir.
please.
Actually, sir, I cannot remember exactly, but I face this type of question, like one of your team member is work fine, very fine, your first and second iteration. In third iteration, you observe that he is not concentrating on his job, and you have some distraction. He is depressed. So what should you do? What the project manager will do? This kind of question. So there was 4 options. I cannot remember exactly, but I can So there is
You don't need to tell the question entirely because we are not.
yes, I cannot remember actually,
Yeah,
but this
we are
kind of
not about
question
to
is
say.
there.
Yeah.
This kind of question is there.
This
So when you see your team member is depressed, so what you have to do?
as a servant leader, you have to think as a servant leader. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. इसके
Like that.
अलावा अगर हम क्वेश्चन की तरफ आए, एग्जाम
जी
कितने
सर।
परसेंट अजाइल था?
Sir, agile तो almost 70%.
ओके, आपका बेसिकली एजुकेशनल बैकग्राउंड क्या है?
मैं लैंड सर्वेयर,
ओके,
आई एम लैंड सर्वेयर इन कंस्ट्रक्शन कंपनी फॉर
अजाइल
टाटा
से
प्रोजेक्ट।
वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट
agile के तो हमारा प्रेडिक्टिव है। Yes,
for
yes.
everyone. He is 100% a civil guy. So civil is really a predictive thing. So
Yeah.
अजाइल आपने कहाँ से पढ़ा?
Sir, agile guide, and from internet, from your videos, I learned plenty things from your videos, sir.
Okay, so
Thank you for that.
majorly मेरी videos and guide, PMP guide.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, और questions आपने जो ट्राइडिप के किए उसके अजाइल के PM पॉकेट, उसके अलावा कोई और?
उसके अलावा सर और मैंने ज्यादा कुछ किया नहीं सर।
उसके अलावा मॉक्स के?
प्लस हाँ सर, प्लस ये रीटा इनका जो चैप्टर वाइज जो क्विज है वो मैंने किया।
ओके, जो चैप्टर वाइज क्वेश्चन है वो आपने किया।
जी
ओके,
जी।
और कमिंग टू द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग, एग्जाम में अजाइल के क्वेश्चंस ठीक थे, उसके बाद स्टेक होल्डर कम्युनिकेशन के क्वेश्चंस कितने थे?
सर स्टेक होल्डर से मोस्टली like around 20 to 25 questions from stakeholder.
And communication?
Communication also, sir, exactly. You cannot determine is it from communication or is it from stakeholder.
Yes, agree.
Really, it makes confused.
I totally agree with you. Okay, what about risk?
Risk also was there, but I cannot remember exact quantity of questions, but it's around 10 around, I think.
Okay, जो मैच द कॉलम्स के क्वेश्चंस थे वो कितने आए थे?
Yes, drag and drop, that is almost 6-7.
6 का आसान थे, easy?
Yes, not much tough, but you have to know the meaning, what you have to do. Like Tuckman leader is very, very important, sir. Please tell your aspirants, so let them remember this.
Yeah, all my students know Tuckman ladder because my basically the complete people area I start from Tuckman ladder and that is the
Yes,
way to
sir.
understand it. Okay, then आगे बात अगर हम समझते हैं थोड़ा सा, what about procurement?
Procurement, not much questions, sir. I cannot remember, but maybe 2-3 questions from procurement. Procurement closer.
Okay, scope, schedule, and cost.
From cost, sir, I get only around 3-4 questions from CPI, SPI. That no need to calculate anything.
Okay,
You can
yeah.
remember it.
Okay.
No need to calculate anything. I never use any calculator.
And
I don't use that.
And most importantly, what about quality and resource?
Fine. Quality, sir, quality and quality and human resource, this resource management is almost mixed. So you cannot determine it is from quality or it is from, from resource management.
Okay, okay, ठीक है. Quality and resource is very important. स्क्रम के ज्यादा क्वेश्चन थे, लीन के, एक्सपी के, अजाइल में.
No,
अजाइल के
no lean, almost agile. No lean, no XP.
So when you say agile, this means 4 value, 12 principle and
Principle.
okay. What about hybrid? Hybrid के कैसे questions थे?
Yes, yes. Yeah, fine. There was one question there, like you are shifting your office to another place. So shifting hardwares, you follow predictive, and for software you follow adaptive. Like that, the question was there, so I did it.
Okay, so this means the questions were mix of predictive and
Mixed, sir. Almost mixed, sir.
okay, okay. Anything else you would like to tell to aspirants how to prepare for the exam? Because we have a lot of aspirants going to clear exam in few weeks. So कोई final advice कि कैसे prepare किया जाए exam को, और most importantly time को कैसे manage किया जाए?
Sir, what I can advise, just do mocks. No need to read PMBOK guide 3 times, 4 times, 5 times. No need to read what I feel. Even Rita Mulkai also, no need to read 3 times, 4 times. Just 1 times or 2 times is enough. Then you practice mocks from different sources.
That's very important. Practice mock from different resources. Even if you do
Yes.
from Prepcast, only Prepcast is not useful. TriDiv,
Yes, sir.
Ray, PM Pocket, all these mocks
Yes.
utilize
Yes.
different. That's a good
And
idea.
you cannot expect any question, any direct question. So this mocks question, you never see the exact question here, but these mocks will grow your brain, grow your mind to think the situation, what you have to do. But always you have to keep in your mind that you are a servant leader and your decision should not impact negatively.
I understand. I
That
understand.
is the
Thank you. Thank you. And once again,
thank you.
बहुत बहुत मुबारक. I'm Dibesh Mehta. I'm extremely happy to hear that you have cleared exam on 21st of March. Just 48 hours ago, I would even say that. So best
Yes,
of
sir.
luck for your future endeavors, and
Thank you.
I hope you become the
And
best.
sir, one thing I want to say, sir.
Sure, sure.
Sir, when I submit my questions, the screen says congratulations, this one that. So then I start praying like this. So one of their proctor called me the right just very time, the same time they call me. Why you are doing like this? I say, ma'am, I think my question is I already submitted and I got that message. No, you cannot do that because your session is not finished yet. So I was very scared, very afraid. It is she say it is violation of PMI code of conduct. I said, ma'am, sorry. So she say, okay, no problem. First you finish your session, then whatever you can do, you want to do, you can do.
Okay,
Like
okay. That is very
So
important.
I advise them don't move from your desk unless you finish your session.
Okay, okay. Unless you finish your session. Thank you very much.
Yes.
Thank you for your time, and best
Thank you, sir.
for your future endeavors. Okay.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.